Hello again, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for all your support for our very first episode last week. We're almost at 1,500 views, and only half of that is actually me. That's right. As a token of our appreciation, we're having another raffle. And this time, the item is linked to our topic tonight. That's right. We're giving away this. This is Lisa's fourth studio album, Little Devil Parade. If you somehow don't know who Lisa is, she is the Anisong artist who provided the music for the opening theme of Kimetsu no Yaiba, otherwise known as Demon Slayer. But her music is also in titles like Fate Zero, Sword Art Online, and My Hero Academia. That's right, she's that awesome. She was even in the Philippines back in 2015 for her solo concert, Another Great Day in Manila. Just like last week, all you have to do is find that secret password somewhere in this video. All you have to do is find that password and follow the instructions in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this video so that we can continue to give you some of these awesome prizes. Tonight, we're going to be talking about Anisong concerts in the new normal. For those of you not familiar with the term, Anisong is short for anime song, similar to how cosplay refers to costume play. It's generally used to refer to all anime music, especially opening and ending themes. One of the biggest annual Anisong concerts in the Philippines is Cosplay Mania Jam. Jam being an acronym for Japanese Anime Music. Cosplay Mania Jam started in 2014 and featured Aya Ikeda and Laborin Tamburin. Since then, Jam has headlined some amazing Japanese artists such as Pyle, Riho Ida, Back On, Honomi Suzuki, Elisa, Shena Nishizawa, Megumi Nakajima, Fana, Myth and Roy, Main, and more. Unfortunately, because of the current crisis, live events have been put on hold. But the demand for these events are greater than ever. And so people from all over the world have devised clever solutions like a club in the Netherlands that enforces strict social distancing measures by having the audience seated with the seats spaced 6 feet apart from each other, as well as enforcing other health safety protocols. People can still safely dance in their seats and enjoy the live entertainment.
It's still very cool. It's still people are still dancing, although they are on a chair. They're fist pumping, they're moving their bodies, so it's great in the end.
What I've been seeing till so far today is that everybody is still enjoying it, and because the experience is so different than normal. I think it's something that you're not gonna forget easily.
Meanwhile, in Australia, they drew their inspiration from a blast from the past, that is, drive-in movies. In these drive-in concerts, the audience takes their cars into the concert venue, finds a spot, and watches the concert from behind their dashboards. They interact with the performer by blinking their lights, honking their horns, or even using their wipers to wave.
Sky Nickel and her sister Karen Knight were first in and got the rock star spot.
This guy said, I got tickets to Casey's drive-in. I thought, oh, awesome, because we've been missing music so much.
It's a feeling shared amongst the punters.
We're a fan of concerts, so yeah,
Okay, so you are missing the feeling of being at a gig.
definitely.
Most events, however, have taken to the internet to reach their audience. Online concerts are appealing in its convenience. You don't even have to leave the comfort of your own home. And you eliminate the health risks that you take when you travel to a concert venue. Recently, a lot of events have taken this route, reaching an audience hungry for live entertainment. Here are just a handful of the events that have taken to the internet recently. First off, there is the Mogra Music Unity 2020, a live streaming festival that was distributed in cooperation with the music venues at clubs and live houses all over Japan. Held on April 4, 2020, from 3 p.m. to midnight, the festival featured 17 DJs from different clubs from Hokkaido, Tokyo, Kanagawa, and Fukuoka. The event used Mogra's Twitch channel, which already had nearly 30,000 active followers from around the world, to deliver live DJ performances by artists from each venue non-stop. Using a PayPal donation system owned by Mogra, 60% of the amount deposited during the live were returned to the venues and artists who participated. In addition, there was a special sales page by Oro Chocolate to sell Music Unity 2020 special sets from April 3 to April 6. 30% of the sale would be distributed evenly to the club, and the remaining 30% would be given to medical and educational institutions that needed the donations. Another similar event was Porter Robinson's Secret Sky Festival that was held last May 9th, 2020, bringing together 18 artists from all over the world for a 14-hour online music festival. Over 4 million people watched the festival, making it the #2 trending item on Twitter, with all the participating artists trending as well. It also became the #1 stream on YouTube and raised more than $66,000 for the MusiCare Relief Fund. Meanwhile, on the Anisong front, a special session video between Aimer and Yuki Kajiura at the end of spring 2020. The video was made to wish everyone well during the crisis, as well as to look forward to seeing each other at a live show in the future. And just last weekend, on July 3 and 4, Liz Annie Live LA featured an online concert during Anime Expo Lite, featuring artists like Maya Uchida, Elisa, Grand Rodeo, and more. Anime Expo Lite was touted as a virtual Japanese pop culture event, with the entire convention live streamed to produce a virtual experience. Cosplay.ph has recently released a song cover for Hero 2 from My Hero Academia, featuring some of the local performers from the local anime community. The cover's goal was to express gratitude for the frontliners, as well as encourage social distancing and other health safety protocols. FanFest Online has also been announced, which is an online version of an anime and cosplay convention with the goal of recreating the interactivity that you usually experience in the live events. Performances and guests are planned, with an announcement scheduled to be released soon. However, it is important to note that these online experiences are far from perfect. As with online streaming services, the experience will vary depending on your internet speed and connectivity. Something that could be very frustrating, especially here in the Philippines, where various internet providers seem to be competing for various degrees of sucking hard. There could also be technical issues related to your computer, your tablet, or even your cell phone. With the crisis still prevalent worldwide and most of us still under quarantine, it seems that we have to adjust to this new normal. In the end, nothing will probably fully duplicate the experience of being in a live event. There is an energy to live events that's impossible to replicate in any other medium. But there are alternatives out there that keep us afloat until the crisis is over. It's up to us to embrace these alternatives and draw on our creativity, imagination, and passion to raise our spirits until these trying times are over. So, what do you think our approach should be for Anisong Concerts in this new normal? Tell us in the comments below. And finally, I'd like to talk about something that I find deeply, deeply concerning. Some people have voiced their dismay over the coronavirus situation by refusing to wear a mask. Even if you don't believe you can be infected, which you certainly can, and even if you believe that masks don't help against the virus, and they most certainly do, wearing a mask properly is a sign of respect for the people around you. It expresses concern for everyone's well-being and is an acknowledgement that we're willing to take precautions and do our part to avoid the spread of the virus. Not wearing a mask in public isn't standing up for your personal rights, it's just being a dick. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.